Oh yeah.
It's a little dirty.
Dirty pie.
Intro.
Hey everyone, it's Baking for Friends again. It's been a while, but it's Labor Day weekend and we've got some special guests down here, including Becca and Nate. Becca, who are you?
I'm Kimmy's cousin.
And who are you?
I'm her husband.
Yes. And we are here, and Kim is gonna show up very soon, but we are making Banoffee Pie. That works.
Sorry.
Ding. All right, Nate, it's up to you to set the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, I've actually never used this before. Okay, we got a little knob here, and you turn it this way. 350.
Step one, done. Becca, what is Banoffee Pie?
I assume it has bananas and coffee?
I think it's toffee.
Toffee?
And I think it's English, actually, so we're appropriating a dessert right
Your
now.
culture.
Absolutely, that's one of my favorite pastimes, is to appropriate.
We got melted butter, got graham cracker crumbs. It's gotta be precise, Nate.
No.
Don't mess this up.
Oh,
Done
God.
with it.
It's over. Quarter teaspoon cinnamon going in. Got a little bit of sugar coming in. Perfectly leveled. Now we'll mix it up. We're gonna spread the graham cracker crumbs into a tart dish. And the cool thing about these tart dishes is that the bottom pops out. And you'll see why very soon.
Next, we place in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes.
This rack?
Sure. Mason's gone. We can do whatever we want.
Oh, look who's here! Alright, go ahead and take it out.
It makes sense too. We have oven mitts.
Oh, that would work better.
Butter melting for the filling. We got dark brown sugar. I don't know what the difference is. Kim, what's the difference?
It's like sticky or like molasses.
Oh. Any thoughts on the Labor Day weekend heat?
Your face is really red.
It's because I'm freaking hot. It's hot. It's really hot. And we're in a kitchen with the oven on and stove. Hey.
That is sick sauce. It looks like caramel.
Am I taste testing?
Taste test.
If it drips on your hand, Becca, it's gonna burn you.
Yeah, you should check it first.
It's hot. It's hot.
I think it's okay.
No, it's hot. No, it's hot.
It's fine.
Really?
It's fine?
It's delicious.
You just went for it, and it's delicious.
Here we go.
Slow-mo.
Straight in the middle.
Make it slow-mo.
Slow-mo. I can slow-mo it if you want.
No, ooh, oily.
Oh.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Alright, no slow-mo.
I'm gonna take this supposedly for 2 hours, but we're gonna go straight into the freezer. Banana Mountain.
You're not gonna help your husband, Becca?
No, I like watching.
Aww.
I don't know why
Why don't I do it?
Okay. Actually, here.
You like stick your arm up to
Here.
it.
Yeah.
What do I do?
Ooh.
Grab
Ooh.
Careful.
Papa!
Wow. That's nice.
Good job, Nate.
Thank you.
Banana art.
Good team.
So maybe I'll try, maybe I'll die trying to let this be enough for now,
It's a little dirty.
Dirty pie.